SMARLINEiQ is a breakthrough solution that enables manufacturers to transform from traditional, fragmented production models into smart factories capable of efficiently handling diverse product lines. With its ability to connect, synchronize, and control every machine within the production line, SMARLINEiQ facilitates flexible workflow coordination and seamless adaptation to the specific requirements of each product variant. In the past, the key question was, how many product types can be manufactured within a single production shift? With SMARLINEiQ, this question evolves, allowing for the simultaneous production of diverse product types within one shift, while reducing line downtime to an absolute minimum. This capability stems from SMARLINEiQ's advanced task assignment and device control features. From the moment a design drawing is received, the software analyzes it, plans production, and assigns tasks to each machine, or to the entire production line, in a systematic and intelligent manner. Instead of manually uploading programs and configuring each machine separately, users can now operate and manage the entire system directly through the software interface. This allows enterprises to quickly adapt production lines to design changes, significantly boosting productivity, while maintaining flexibility in handling orders with varying specifications and volumes. Beyond its role as a production coordination system, SMARLINEiQ is also a powerful tool for performance evaluation and improvement. Through real-time monitoring, the software tracks machine statuses, running, stop, error, finished quantities, operating time, and process-level performance. These data points enable businesses to compare actual output with production plans, laying the foundation for accurate, data-driven decision-making. User experience is enhanced by an intuitive Vietnamese language interface, making management and operation easier than ever before. Developed from over 20 years of experience supporting Vietnam's mechanical engineering sector, SMARLINEiQ is a practical and system-oriented solution. It's built upon robust integration principles and designed to coordinate effectively with existing production assets. By implementing SMARLINEiQ, sheet metal fabricators can maintain their competitive edge and meet the evolving demands of the market. Contact us today for a demo of the SMARLINEiQ system and expert consultation from Weldcom.